This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Nita Hershman. REO Property. Seller reviews all REO offers after 10 days on the market. Needs some repairs. 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick. Easy access to school. Will not go regular FHA financing, cash preferably. Investors welcome. And no warranties intended nor implied. Selling in AS's condition. Seller addendums apply. Proof of funds needed to submit offers. For more information, review the details below or contact Nita Hershman at 901-861-4808.